The Power of Unity, an inspirational story of one family. Roll. This story is about an ordinary family from an ordinary village, which becomes extraordinary because of their mutual love, understanding, and unity. This story is not just about their overcoming of difficulties, but also about how family bonds and unity can be the greatest strength. Introduction to Village and Family. In a small village in India, where most of the people depended on farming, there lived a family. This family consisted of 4 members: Ram Lal, his wife Sushila, and their 2 children, Rohit and Seema. Ram Lal was a hard-working farmer who supported his family from his small farm. Sushila was a dedicated housewife who took care of all the household work and raising the children. Rohit and Seema were the pride of their parents. Rohit was very smart in studies and was one of the best students in the village government school. Seema, who was a few years younger than him, was interested in dance and painting. There was an atmosphere of mutual love and understanding in the family, but the difficulties of life kept testing them all the time. Financial crisis and family conflict. Once it happened that there was very heavy rain and hailstorm in the village. Due to this, Ramlal's farm was completely ruined. The crops were destroyed, and what little produce remained was not enough for the family to eat. The situation of other farmers of the village was also no different. Ram Lal and Sushila are worried about how they will face this crisis. One night, when the children were sleeping, Ram Lal and Sushila discussed their future. Ram Lal said, "Now we will have to think of some other option. We will not be able to survive through farming." Sushila said, "We will all face this crisis together. We are not among those who accept defeat." The next day, Ram Lal spoke to the village head and tried to find work outside the village. Pradhan suggested him to work as a laborer in the city, but Ram Lal knew that if he went to the city, there would be more problems for the family. Children's struggle and unity. Meanwhile, Rohit and Seema had also gathered information about the situation in the house. He understood the difficulties his parents were facing. One day, Rohit said to his sister Seema, "We should also do something. It is not right to leave the entire burden on our parents." Seema agreed, and both of them thought of finding some solution together. Rohit talked to his school teachers and asked for their advice. The teachers told him that he should work harder in his studies so that he can do well in the future and get his family out of this situation. Seema also decided to hone her art skills so that she could help her family in the future. Collective effort and path to success. Ram Lal thought of doing something new by staying in the village. He decided to start organic farming, keeping in mind the old-time traditions. He knew it could be risky, but he was not ready to give up. Sushila also decided to support Ram Lal. She planned to start a small-scale home-based business along with other women of the village. Together they started making spices and pickles and selling them in the market. Children also started helping in their own ways. Rohit started teaching tuition along with studies. He started teaching the village children, and the financial condition of the house improved slightly with the money he earned from it. Seema bought some materials to improve her painting and tried to sell her paintings in the market. With time, Ramlal's organic farming started bearing fruit. His crops not only started giving good yield but also started getting good prices in the market. Other farmers of the village were also inspired by this initiative of Ram Lal, and they also started organic farming. Family strength and village development, the hard work of Ram Lal and Sushila bore fruits. Gradually his family started recovering from the financial crisis. Organic farming and women's small business helped in improving the economic condition of the entire village. The village head also appreciated the efforts of Ram Lal and Sushila, and with their help started new schemes in the village. Rohit's hard work and dedication got him good marks, and he got admission in a big college in the city. Seema's paintings also gradually started becoming famous, and she got a chance to display her paintings in a local exhibition. Result of unity. The most important aspect of this story was that when this family faced difficulties, they did not abandon each other. They understood the power of unity and together found solutions to every problem. Their collective efforts not only brought them success but also inspired other people of the village. Rohit and Seema learned an important lesson from their parents' struggle and unity. Unity is the greatest strength in a family. This unity gave them the strength to overcome every difficulty. Conclusion. This story teaches us that no matter how many difficulties come in life, if family members remain united, they can face every crisis. Ramlal's family is today the most happy and successful family in the village. His story is inspiring not only for his village, but for every person who is facing difficulties. There is no greater strength than family unity and dedication. This story proved that if we are all together, we can face and overcome any problem.